Hello again. We will be using the sound D in today's sound sorting, listening for whether we can hear it right at the beginning of a word, somewhere in the middle of a word, or right at the end of a word. Let's take a look at the pictures. First of all, have you drawn your grid? A rectangle with two lines to separate it into listening for D at the beginning of a word, listening for D somewhere in the middle of the word, and listening for D right at the end of the word. And remember, you can always ask somebody else to say the words to you. Just pause your video. So number 1, we have an action word, spread. Spread. Write your number in the grid where you can hear D. Number 2, we're going to concentrate on the word Adam when we think about an Adam's apple. Adam. Adam. Number 3, dice. Dice. Number 4, birthday. Birthday. Number 5, duck. Duck. Number 6, mermaid. Mermaid. Number 7, garden. Garden. Number 8, weed. Weed. And number 9, dolphin. Dolphin. Now you might like to pause the video to check your numbers. Think about the sound by perhaps saying the word yourself. And then we can move on to checking your answers. So, this is our grid. It's just looking a little bit longer for the numbers up here. And we'll get to them at the end. But first of all, let's go over our pictures. Number 3, dice. We can hear D right at the beginning of dice. Number 5, duck. Duck. And number 9, dolphin. Dolphin. Let's have a think now about hearing D in the middle of a word. Adam. In Adam's apple. Adam. Number 4, birthday. Birthday. And the last one with D in the middle of the word, garden. Garden. Now let's think about the sound at the end of the word. Spread. That was number 1. Number 6, mermaid. Mermaid. And number 8, weed. weed. That little flower growing in the wrong place might be considered to be a weed. Let's go over the numbers again. Did you have 3, 5 and 9 written in your grid for hearing the sound D right at the beginning? Did you have 2, 4 and 7 for hearing it in the middle? And 1, 6 and 8 for hearing D right at the end of the word? Well done. Good job.